After tons of different comments in the description and also research, Apple has numerous lawsuits out against the Powerbeats Pros. So weirdly enough, the Powerbeats Pro have this common problem that was actually taken into a lawsuit for Powerbeats. Now, I'm not sure if you guys know, but Powerbeats and Apple, Beats by Dre was actually acquired by Apple for like $1 billion, which is actually super neat. But the problem is happening where the Powerbeats Pro are either disconnecting from iPhones or Androids. I guess when you put them into a battery case, they're not charging. They're also seeing extreme battery drain. Why did I struggle with that? So essentially, people are complaining about battery drain, connectivity, and then when you put them in the case, they don't charge well. And it's actually a common problem. The biggest one that I'm seeing is actually a defect that people think is going on with the Powerbeats Pro, to where they put them in, they're using them, and then when they get to 50%, they just like die. So that's obviously not going to work too well if you're trying to use these for workouts. So guys, in this video today, what we're going to be doing is covering some strategies to actually help this and what I overall recommend, and then some alternatives that you might want to consider if you guys are either going to repurchase the Powerbeats or you currently have them. So the first best is going to be to do a reset on them. A reset is going to be where you actually hold the Powerbeats open, and then what you're going to want to do, guys, is you're going to want to hold them open and then press and hold that black button right below the headphones themselves. It should look like this. There's a button right here. You're going to press and hold that until the white light on the front actually flashes. That means you're resetting them. If you've already reset them, the second thing that they recommend is actually to forget them on your phone, which basically means you go into Bluetooth and then you go into the I for information. And then from there, you're actually going to hit forget device. You can also, you go into Bluetooth, Powerbeats Pro, the I for information, forget device, and then that's going to be number 2 solution. Number 3, guys, for the solutions is going to be, I would recommend 100%, if it's been either 2 years, 3 years, whatever it has been, I would bring them into an Apple store and I would basically say, hey, this is an issue. I saw that there was actually a lawsuit put out. Can you help me at all? Because what I have noticed is that sometimes companies, when there's a widespread issue that's commonly known, they'll actually honor that via like a recall and they'll just replace them for free. And then number 4 solution is going to be, if you have had them under a year, to actually take them into the store if there are any issues, and just make sure you utilize your 1-year warranty. That is going to be your best bet. Now, as far as alternative solutions, guys, because I do think that is extremely valuable for this video, is that alternative solutions are going to be, I found some options on Google. If you type in the best workout headphones, workout earbuds 2023, there are some options. However, I do want to make it very, very clear to you guys that the options are actually not recommended by me. Sound Guys and Wirecutter have some options that are great, that have the around the ear finish. It's probably why you guys are looking for the Powerbeats Pro, and I don't blame you. It's a great feature of the headphones. So I would recommend getting either another pair of Powerbeats Pro. If you do decide to do that, make sure to utilize the 1-year warranty. If you guys are kind of burned, which I totally understand, then I would go for some of these other options. One of the options that actually has the around the ear is only $30. So if you guys are somebody who is kind of on a budget and you're like, hey, I don't really want to dish out a lot of money because these were kind of expensive in the first place, I would go get them. One is by Anker. The Anker sound cores, I believe, have the around the ear finish, and then one is by Jlab. So Jlab and Anker are both kind of rising, coming brands for headphones. I have heard of Jlab a little bit more for headphones than Anker. So if I were you guys, I would maybe check out the Jlab. They're $30 though, so keep in mind that the quality is just not going to be amazing for that. So if you're buying something for $30, then I would just kind of keep that in mind when you're making that purchase. So anyways, guys, I wanted to address this because that is the definition of this channel, is to go over tech problems, discuss tech, and overall it's a technology channel. So let me know your guys' comments below. One thing I would like to hear from you guys is, resetting and forgetting your devices is something you can Google, and I want to know who has tried that on this channel. So comment below, have you tried reset? Have you tried forgetting the device? And also, have you tried bringing it into the Apple Store even after a year? Put your like down below. Hit the like button on this video just for the algorithm, but also put your comments down below so I can understand if you guys are still struggling. See you guys next time.